My heart is at ease knowing that what was meant for me will never miss me, and that what misses me was never meant for me. Knowledge is not what is memorized. Knowledge is what benefits. The most ignorant person is the one who commits sin even though he is aware of it. He who loves you will prevent you from doing evil, and he who makes you an enemy will incite you to do evil. Just as chessboard has a limit, so does intellect. The most sympathetic of creatures is the narrow one. Despite the situation, he lives with courage. Since the ignorant believe that because he has knowledge, he does not listen to anyone. Generosity covers the defects of this world and the hereafter. If I respect a person for his position, if I do more, I will lose my respect in his eyes. Don't love the one who doesn't love to Allah. If they can leave Allah, they will leave you. And tire yourself out, because it makes life worth living. I have seen that water stagnates when it stands still, yet when it runs it is sweet and pure. If you do 99 things correct, and one thing incorrect, people will ignore the 99, and spread the one mistake. Fools are those who debates with ignorance. Criticize speech, but respect the speaker. If you are on the way towards Allah, then run. If it's hard for you, then jog, even crawl, but never stop or go back. To admonish your brother in private is to advise him and improve him. But to admonish him publicly is to disgrace and shame him. If you focused all your efforts into pleasing people, you'd never succeed, so be sincere to Allah in your actions and intentions. When you correct a fool, he will hate you. When you correct a wise man, he will appreciate you. Knowledge without action is arrogance. Time is like a sword. If you don't cut it, it will cut you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.